I thought I'd just do a quick video of my press here, an update. I started out with the 5-ton press, moved it to this bad boy. This is the 27-ton log splitter that I redid and made into a press. It was laying horizontally here just a little bit ago. What happened is some of the fittings here were pressed in on the other piston, and anyway, it blew those out completely. So what I did is I had this redone. This is a piston. It's the same diameter, so it should be probably 25 ton, I'm guessing, off of a forklift that elevates the tines, moves the tines back and forth. So it's a short stroke, you know, maybe 4 inches or so here, but I went ahead, a buddy of mine, Zane, helped me out. He's a genius. Anyway, we moved this, set this straight up. We had to build some brackets and things, or he did. Built some brackets here and moved it here so that it could be vertical. Then we moved the controls up this way, put all new hoses on it and all that good stuff. The dies are the same, although I'm going to have to put some shims in here, because if you can see, if you watch here, sometimes they'll move a little bit. And this here moves because this was cast steel, and so when you weld onto cast steel, it just breaks loose. And it busted one of these bolts off. It's, you know, I mean, it's wood. It's made to split wood. It's not made to press steel, especially if we get a little too aggressive. So I've had to add some shims here and there, readjust the dies. These dies just come in and out. It's a half round, and then I've got a full square on the bottom. I like that because it still gives me a little bit of control, but it allows me to draw things out too. I've got squaring dies for the hammer. What I'm going to do is I've got a piece of billet of Damascus that I'm working up now that I've cut and I've folded, that I need to go ahead and draw out again, cut and fold again. So I'll just show you that and then we'll be done. So hang with me. Now that's one solid billet. I'll put it back in the fire, do that again a couple more times, square everything up, and then honestly there's enough power there that I could almost squish this in half at that temperature, but I obviously didn't. Just touch it up a little bit. So I'll go back in the forge, reheat, reflux, do all of that good stuff, and then get back at it. Anyway, thank you. Hit like, subscribe, share the channel, all that good stuff. My other knife making videos, the simple knife making videos coming up. I've been working on that a little bit, but we've had some really terrible weather where I don't have an inside shop sometimes, and I've gotten a bunch of orders for like high school graduations and things like that, and college graduations for blades. So trying to get all caught up, and then I'll put that other video out. Anyway, thanks a lot.